Welcome to online classes. I am here in the second recording to explain from page number 20. Before explaining, I will refer some sentences as a reference and continuation. This is cheating. He told the sage, I have wasted 6 precious years of my life. But sage Mahipati only smiled and called Madhumati to come forward. She came with a big box. When he opened it, inside glinted stacks of gold coins. Now the sage turned to the astonished Ramanatha and said, there is no magic potion that can turn things into gold. You worked hard on your land and created this plantation. Now I will explain from the book in this recording. While you looked after the plants, your wife sold the fruits in the market. The sage Mahipati stated Ramanatha that when he had looked after the plants during that time, Madhumati supervised each banana plant and collected the fruits and gathered in a big basket, and she sold the fruits in the market and achieved a good price against the fruits. Explanation 2. The sage Mahipati elaborated Ramanatha that when he had engaged himself to take care of the banana plant, in that period Madhumati inspected each banana plants and fetched the fruits and accumulated in a big basket, and she sold the fruits in the market and she earned big amount of money. Explanation 3. The sage Mahipati expressed Ramanatha that when he had taken care of the banana plants, his wife Madhumati went around the banana estate and she collected the fruits and went to the market to sell the fruits. She got good amount of money in exchange of the fruits. Now from book. That's how you got this money. Madhumati collected the fruits from banana plantation and went to market to sell the fruit. That was the process by which he got this amount of money. Explanation 2. Madhumati often supervised the banana plantation and gathered the fruit in a big basket and went to market to sell the fruit, and she got good price against the fruit. That was the way by which Ramanatha got that amount of money. Explanation 3. Madhumati frequently visited the banana estate and accumulated the banana crop in a huge basket, and she went to market and sell the crop, by which Ramanatha achieved that lots of money. Now from book. It was your hard work that created this wealth, not magic. Explanation 1. Mahipati told Ramanatha that it was his hard work which created that capital, which was kept by his wife Madhumati after selling the fruit, or you can say after selling the banana crops. It was not any magic. Explanation 2. Mahipati expressed Ramanatha that since 6 years he worked hard to change the vacant land into the banana estate, and after getting proper assistance of Madhumati, he acquired the funds which cannot be considered as magic. Explanation 3. Mahipati explained Ramanatha that he engaged himself since 6 years and looking great care of the banana plants. During these years, Madhumati went to market carrying the pool of fruit in a basket frequently, and she sold the same and returned to home with a lot of money. Gradually, the money filled in a huge box and turned as his prosperity, which was not any magic. Now from book. If I had told you about this earlier, you would not have listened to me. Explanation 1. The sage Mahipati explained Ramanatha if he had told him about this matter earlier, Ramanatha would not listen to Mahipati. Now, explanation 2. The wise man Mahipati expressed Ramanatha if Mahipati had told him before about the episode, Ramanatha would not heard Mahipati. Explanation 3. The very learned man Mahipati further added Ramanatha if Mahipati had to expressed about that fact, then Ramanatha would not accepted Mahipati's advice at that time. Now from book. Ramanatha understood the wisdom behind these words and worked even harder on his plantation from that day on. Explanation 1. Ramanatha recognized the knowledge behind these words which were delivered by Mahipati to Ramanatha. From that day, Ramanatha worked even harder on his banana estate. Explanation 2. Ramanatha had listened the words which were explained by Mahipati to Ramanatha. Then Ramanatha apprehended the intelligence behind these words which were elaborated by Mahipati to Ramanatha. From that day, Ramanatha engaged badly in his banana garden. Explanation 3. Ramanatha perceived the prudence behind these words which were delivered by Mahipati. Then Ramanatha worked harder than the other days for his banana estate which was turned to banana plantation or banana garden, where there were the vacant land existed before. This is the end of this explanation.